Namaste and welcome to my channel. This is Chef Naveen and today I'm going to blog about my favorite app which I always use on my phone. So guys, I will mention the app what I really like. So after all, you guys need to download and check how they are working and take your experience, and these all apps are free in iOS device. So guys, before we continue our video, I just want to tell you, please like my video, share it and subscribe it. So let's go. So my first app is pixaloop. Yes, so most of time I prefer to edit on this app. So here you can do lots of editing. These apps come with a multiple options, like you can do the black and white, you can erase something from the pictures, and if you want something different in your picture, lighting, borders or stickers, even the something thoughts you want to put on your pictures, here you can do, guys. And you guys can use the perfect filter from here. Okay, so this is a really amazing app for me, so hope you like. Picsart, one of my favorite photo editing app, and this is perfect for photo editing. There is lots of tools you can use. Try this. Yes, Pixaloop, guys. Pixaloop is something amazing app for me. So this app is something different than others. Here you can do edit, plus you can do live loop videos in your pictures, and live loop pictures you can make it. But something is you need to pay. There are some options, so you guys need to edit your picture first very well, and I will show you how you will solve that problem. So first you make your pictures nice, everything, and you cannot save that picture because you need to buy the options. So here I have option for that. So you guys need to edit first picture, screenshot to your phone, and then save it the picture. Fotorus, beautiful app with a lots of beautiful option, filter, stickers, text option, and slim option too. You can make yourself here slim. So try this app, guys, and try to explore this app. You will know more about this app. Really amazing app, please try it. PS Express, so super fast editing app. Whoever they are lazy to edit their pictures, so here you can edit your pictures super fast with the amazing posters, frames. It's really easy, and hope you like this. Snapseed, guys, you know about this app, I think, but this is for me one of my professional app also. So this app also you can find in the Apple Store. It's also free, and they have lots of options to make pictures really amazing. And you can change the background, you can make the clone, you can do the different filter. Even the stickers they have, they are really different. So for my opinion, guys, try this app too. So hope you like my videos. So next video we will talk about video editing software which I really like. So today's video I will write down in the description box, so you guys can check again. And thank you very much for watching my video, and please like and subscribe and share it. See you again.